Do you want to sound 10 times smarter in a conversation? If your answer is yes, let's learn some new words to sparkle up your vocabulary with Word Pro. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future videos. This first word is really interesting. You must have learned about it in chemistry. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest building block of matter. Everything around us is made up of atoms, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. The next word is really simple. Hero. A hero is someone who shows courage and bravery, often helping others in difficult or dangerous situations. Heroes can be everyday people or fictional characters like Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, etc. Next word we have rural. Rural areas are found in the countryside, often surrounded by nature, farms, and fewer buildings. Life in rural areas is usually quieter than the cities. Now let's learn the word opposite of rural, urban. Urban areas are large, busy cities filled with buildings, traffic, and people. These places are centers for work, culture, and transportation. The next word is vast. Vast is something incredibly large in size or amount. For example, the ocean is vast because it stretches across much of the earth. The next word is weary. Weary means feeling very tired or worn out. People become weary after working hard or not getting enough rest. This is what a person can look like when they are feeling weary. The next word is erosion. Erosion happens when natural forces like wind or water slowly wear away rocks, soil, or land. This is what erosion looks like. Our last word for the day is errand. An errand is a short trip to do something like buying groceries or mailing a letter. You must have heard your mom say, "I have a lot of errands to run." Thank you for watching and make sure that you revise all these words. See you next time.